How to enable T-Mobile International Data Roaming. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly enable or turn on your T-Mobile International Data Roaming. The very first thing that you have to do is to make sure that you have this specific subscription or feature added into your T-Mobile account. So you can definitely head straight into T-Mobile's official website, which is going to be here, and make sure that you logged in and check out the coverage of your subscription if it has an international roaming services. If it does, then you just need to simply activate directly from your mobile device. So here's how. Now pull up your mobile phone's settings, and then for you to quickly get into the roaming services tab, just simply choose on or use the magnifying glass and type in roaming. Now choose on roaming, which will be onto the about phone, and you should be able to see that option here. So say for example, you do not have an international roaming service added into your T-Mobile account. This is going to be what you will see. Roaming will not be available if you do not have this kind of service added into your subscription. So make sure that you have fully activated it first, and then this is how you can enable it. Tap on roaming, and it should be automatically be enabled. And that's how you enable T-Mobile International Data Roaming.